there, thanks for tuning in. I've been having a lot of self-reflection lately. How are you? Taking care of yourself? Yeah, me too. I've been learning how to do video edits, and they have been a bit of a roadblock. Well, now I'm finally here. So like I was saying, I've been having a lot to think about. And that is, why do we chase for bigger and better? Why does it feel so overwhelming and complicated? But that got me thinking too, that maybe it is just simple. We need to look closer. Like, it is that simple. We just need to look closer. But it challenges you to get to it. And that's the part. The key word, challenge. And another one, simple. It seems to be a process, and it starts from somewhere basic. The starting point is simply the beginning. You pick a point and you keep going. This is a journey that's different for everyone, and we know it. But we all work together like a collective. So how do you find your way? In many ways. Now, I get all analytical and curious. It feels a bit too much sometimes, so just bear with me. And honestly, I even hear that it gets a bit messy. But you find what works best for you. Then you cut and refine. It totally takes so much time. It takes time, but it's worth it. Sometimes you have to go a little longer to fulfill your wish. But I promise you, the denser the experiences, the deeper you get to know yourself. Okay. Let's take a breath. Okay, let's retract. Where were we? Oh, it's time. I started looking closer into myself. I was gonna do a whole dichotomy or metaphor. I was gonna do this whole metaphor with oil and water. But we're gonna keep it completely figurative. And I'm gonna say how I worked on myself. The inner work gets all sticky and messy. The craft to self-improvement has been taking me years. I am a different person from the one I remember years from now. However, that person clearly makes me the better version of myself today. Sometimes I had to revisit my old self to see what I could work on to be better. And let me tell you, this starts to feel so, you could say, embarrassing, scary, but for me, it was just uncomfortable. I am in the process of learning to accept myself and that I am a better version of myself. There has been so much crying, so much avoiding to face what keeps me away from being positive and optimistic. I just didn't want to feel uncomfortable. But I dig through it all and take a look around. Once I got out of my little hole, we all got some work to do. And we are always getting better.